In this video, we will discuss how to create a thoughtful teaching portfolio for an academic job search. Simply put, the teaching portfolio refers to a set of materials that represent your teaching approach, philosophy, and achievements. Before assembling your materials, consider the institutions to which you are applying. Knowing your audience will be key to tailoring your materials, but your materials will usually be fairly consistent from one institution to the next and should make sense with the other pieces of your application. While we will focus on crafting the teaching philosophy, sometimes called the teaching statement, we will begin by describing what documents typically comprise a teaching portfolio. Different institutions ask for different things, but you may be expected to submit a sample syllabus, student evaluations, and a lesson plan. Syllabi should be detailed and follow the standard NYU format. They should have a clear description and include information about assignments, assessments, grading, and pages per week. Meanwhile, student evaluations should show evidence of effective teaching. In addition to quantitative feedback, qualitative comments from students that speak to teaching abilities are also helpful. The lesson plan should showcase your time management skills. Choose a plan that is dynamic, reflects your teaching philosophy, and ideally incorporates educational technology. The teaching philosophy emphasizes your values and practices and is an opportunity to present both your strategies related to teaching and the reasons behind them. As you reflect upon your teaching philosophy, consider the following questions about your values. What motivates you to teach? How do you want your students to learn? What is your role as a teacher? How does your identity and the identity of your students impact your teaching? You might also consider what strategies you use in your practice. For example, how do you help students learn? How does your research influence your teaching? How did you create an inclusive classroom? What pedagogical approaches do you incorporate? And how do you assess your students? Write down notes to organize your thoughts and try to incorporate specific examples from your past experiences. Your final edited version should be no more than 2 pages. Your philosophy should be well-written, student-centered, and reflect you as an educator. Speak to other trusted faculty from your department who know you well to get additional feedback. To learn more about preparing your teaching portfolio, check out our additional resources from the Wasserman Center or meet with a career coach.